In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Airtable database. If you're cleaning up old projects or simplifying your workspace, this quick process will help you remove a base safely and confidently. In Airtable, a database is called a base, so you'll hear me use those terms interchangeably. Deleting a base is permanent, so move slowly, double-check you've selected the right one, and consider any teammates who might still be using it. Start by heading to airtable.com in your browser. Sign into your account using your usual credentials so you land on your home screen. From there, open the workspace that contains the base you want to delete. If you're part of multiple workspaces, take a second to confirm you're in the correct one. The base list changes depending on which workspace you've selected. Once you're inside the right workspace, locate the specific base you want to remove. You'll see it displayed as a card or tile among your other bases. Make sure you recognize it by name, and, if helpful, its color or icon, so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. This is a good moment to pause and think about whether anyone else might still need access, or whether you might want a copy of the data for reference later. When you're certain you've got the correct base, hover over its card and click the three dots, sometimes labeled as More Options. A small menu will appear with several actions you can take. Choose Delete Base. Airtable will immediately ask you to confirm, because this action cannot be undone from here. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the deletion when you're ready. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have sufficient permissions in that workspace, so you'll need someone with the right access level to perform the deletion. After you confirm, wait a moment while Airtable removes the base from your workspace. You'll see the base disappear from the list once the process completes. That's your confirmation that the deletion has gone through. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you think you might need the information later, consider exporting important tables as CSVs before you delete. If your goal is simply to reduce clutter for your team, you might also evaluate whether renaming or reorganizing remaining bases helps keep things tidy after the deletion. And that's it. You went to Airtable, signed in, opened the correct workspace, found the base, used the three-dot menu to select Delete Base, confirmed the prompt, and waited for it to be removed. Thanks for watching, and take care when cleaning up your